Welcome to Auto Show, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, expert insights, and everything you need to know about the automotive world. In this video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Mahindra Scorpio, a much-anticipated SUV that is set to make waves with its impressive blend of power, features, and style. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio has been designed to cater to those who want a bold, rugged, and reliable SUV without compromising on modern amenities. Starting with its exterior, the new Scorpio boasts a tough and muscular look with an updated front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a redesigned bumper. The side profile maintains the Scorpio's traditional stance, but with sharper lines and larger wheels that give it a more aggressive presence on the road. Its rear end has also been modernized with new LED tail lamps and a cleaner overall design. Under the hood, the 2025 Scorpio comes with two engine options, a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 2.2-liter Mhawk diesel engine. Both engines have been refined for better efficiency and performance. The petrol variant churns out around 170 horsepower, while the diesel offers a robust 140 to 155 horsepower, depending on the variant. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic gearbox, giving drivers the flexibility to choose their preferred driving style. The Scorpio is also available in both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations, with the latter being especially capable off-road, thanks to its electronic differential lock and improved suspension system. On the inside, Mahindra has significantly upped its game with the 2025 Scorpio. The cabin now feels much more premium with a modern dashboard layout, soft touch materials, and a host of tech features. There is a new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a fully digital instrument cluster. The seats are more comfortable, and the higher trims come with leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Space is also improved, with better legroom for rear passengers, making it a solid choice for families. Safety features have also been enhanced in this new model. The 2025 Scorpio comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, traction control, and a 360-degree camera in the top variants. Mahindra has placed a strong emphasis on making the Scorpio not just a powerful SUV but also a safe one for both city driving and off-road adventures. In terms of pricing, while Mahindra hasn't officially announced the exact figures yet, the 2025 Scorpio is expected to be competitively priced to maintain its strong position in the mid-size SUV segment. Given its improved features, performance, and overall refinement, the new Scorpio offers great value for those looking for a reliable SUV that can handle both urban and rugged terrain. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to Auto Show and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.